Tired of seeing the same words, names, or phrases over and over again while you browse? It can be distracting, annoying, or just plain boring. Now, you can take control of your web experience. Introducing Hide That Name, the powerful search and replace extension that lets you swap any text on any website instantly and locally. It's perfect for practical tasks. Need to create clean screenshots for a presentation? Instantly replace confidential project names with placeholders. And it's great for fun too. Liven up your social feeds or replace things you'd rather not see with something that makes you smile. The possibilities are endless. Your rules, your browser. Everything is processed securely on your device. We never see your data. Customize your web. Download Hide That Name. It's free on the Chrome Web Store.